You're listening to The Plugged In Operator, part of Main Street Media. I'm Marcus. It's Friday, May 1, 2026. Here's what's on the board. Today's operator case study is a small auto repair shop in California. Independent, 2-bay, 6 employees, the kind of shop most listeners run. They built an AI tool stack starting last fall. 6 months in, they cut labor costs by 25% and lifted customer satisfaction scores by 30%. The case was published this month as part of a 2026 industry implementation review. Here's what they actually did, because the lesson isn't the brand names, it's the sequence. They didn't fire anyone. They layered 3 tools on top of their existing Tekmetric shop management system, and they added them one at a time, 60 days apart. First, an AI diagnostic assistant tied into all data, feeds in OBD2 codes, plus the customer description, and produces a ranked list of likely root causes with the labor time estimates already attached. Second, AutoLeap AIR for customer communication. Every estimate goes out as a video walk around the tech records on their phone, with AI auto-generating the explanation and the price breakdown the customer can read on their own time. Third, a reconciliation tool called Wikidfile for parts vendor invoice matching, automated matching of vendor invoices to parts on tickets, automatically flagging missing core credits and warranty rebates that used to disappear. The 25% labor cost reduction wasn't from layoffs. It was from techs spending less time on diagnostics and more time turning wrenches. A check engine job that used to take 90 minutes of diagnosis time now takes 30. The remaining 60 minutes either go to the next car or to billable repair time on the same car. The 30% satisfaction jump came from the video estimates. Customers who saw the bad rotor in a 90-second walkaround approved the work at much higher rates than customers who got a phone call asking them to authorize $600 sight unseen. Total monthly cost of the tool stack, under $300, all in. Setup time across all 3 tools, about 12 hours of owner time over 2 weekends. Payback period, 60 to 90 days. Conservatively, 3 lessons every operator listening can apply, regardless of trade. 1. Don't lead with the tool, lead with the bottleneck. The shop owner started by asking which 30 minutes of every job were the least billable. The answer was diagnosis and explanation. Then, he bought tools for those 30 minutes, not the other way around. 2. AI-generated video estimates, close at higher rates than phone calls. Across every trade we've watched this in. Plumbing jobs, HVAC system replacements, electrical service upgrades, roofing tear-offs. If you're not sending video walk-around estimates yet, that's the highest return change you can make this quarter. 3. The tools don't have to be from the same vendor. This shop ran Tekmetric, AutoLeap, an AI diagnostic layer, and Wikidfile. Best of breed beats single platform when each tool earns back its cost on its own. Here's the concrete takeaway. This weekend, walk through one full job cycle in your shop, from the phone call to the final invoice. Time each step. Identify the longest non-billable stretch. That's where your first AI tool goes. Buy it Monday. 60 days later, evaluate the next bottleneck. That's the playbook. That brings us to the forward-looking piece. What's coming next and what you should be watching. ServiceTitan announced this month that they're rolling out Atlas, what they're calling an advanced AI sidekick, and the next evolution of Titan intelligence. The pitch is plain English in, action out. You type or speak. Find me every job over $5,000 that hasn't been invoiced. Show me which tech had the lowest close rate last week. Reschedule all of Mike's Friday calls to Monday because Mike's out sick. An Atlas does the work. No menus, no dashboards, no analyst on staff to build the report. Here's why operators should care, even if you're not on ServiceTitan. Atlas is the leading edge of a category that will hit every shop management platform within 18 months. Housecall Pro, Jobber, Tekmetric, and the rest are building it or buying it right now. The shift is from software you use to software that uses itself for you. The owner, who used to need an office manager to pull a report, will type a sentence and get the answer. The dispatcher, who used to memorize tech availability, will tell the AI the situation and let it reshuffle. 2 things to watch. First, the integrations. Atlas is only as smart as the data it can read. Your CRM, your phone system, your accounting, your text history. The shops that win this transition are the shops with clean, connected data right now. Second, the prompts. The shops that get value out of these tools are the shops where the owner can articulate the question precisely. That's not a software skill. That's a thinking skill. Practice it now. Every time you ask your office manager for a number, write the question down first. That's it for Friday. Find all 5 Main Street Media shows wherever you listen. Subscribe, leave a review, and I'll see you Monday.